So that goes in the front like that.
How long have you got if you do stab yourself with that?
I haven't tested it, but looking at how it affects animals, less than a minute, you know. And we're obviously going to put it around her lower leg. And they do not have necks that work well with collars, so that's why we use legs. Yeah, the dog looks good. Looking into the body condition, this is what I would call about 3.5 out of 5.
So we recently announced the Mantis Impact Experience, and I'm so pleased to announce today that we have our first guest, Jeff from America, to partake in a rhino interaction here. We needed to fit a collar on one of our rhino's legs so that we can track her and keep her safe. And Jeff from the United States has funded this, so we are super chuffed. It's a beautiful day. Jeff's got the most immersive experience here. He now fully understands all the underground stuff that's happening with our rhino around the world. So this has been incredibly educational for him.
These ones can go anywhere really. And then just to get a good, slightly tighter than that, a good tension on this so that there's space between, but it's not too loose. Got messy yes? I don't have to do this ground. It's the wrong blister. Okay, so you see what's happened here? The center piece of the horn is slightly darker. And when these guys process these horns, they use the dark horn. The chip that we're going to put in here. See that little thing there?
Yep.
You normally just put under the skin of the dog or the cat. Did you find a body chip on her? So this we're just going straight in the hole. Just push it in, use that little piece of plastic to guide it into the middle without putting any undue pressure on, and then we're just going to fill this space with some putty. What's our heart rate, please?
Heart rate?
Trick is not to
go all the way.
very softly. I don't want to break that piece of glass. So Jeff, I know we do this regularly and we never get tired of it, but how does this make you feel, being here today and being part of this?
Pretty wholesome, actually. Yeah. It's nice knowing that you're doing some good. You're helping save these incredible animals and help sustain them. And from a scientific standpoint, it's just watching you guys work. It's obvious your team knows exactly what they're doing.
We hope so.
Nice to be a part of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for funding this all, and not just for today. You've obviously come a long way to be here in South Africa and to contribute to conservation, and you've been doing so for many years, so we appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah, you better get up.
There you go. There you go.
Well done, Will. Okay, so the most important thing now is the legs must work well. There mustn't be any cramping or dead leg. That's good.
So do come join us on a Mantis Impact Experience.